Hey everybody, my name's David and today I'm here to show you how to make some crispy fried buttermilk chicken. No, not the type that mom makes. I know mom makes some nice fried chicken, but I'm gonna show you how to make it even better than that. Follow these steps and you'll be making chicken perfectly like Maltese. Let's go. Now, to make the best fried chicken, there's 3 simple steps you must follow. The first step is marinating. We put the chicken into the buttermilk and season the buttermilk to increase the flavor in the chicken. The second step is the seasoned flour. We will then transfer the chicken from the buttermilk into the seasoned flour. We'll press, flip, press, and we'll coat it properly. The third step is frying. We'll fry the chicken at the right temperature, then we'll take it out at the right time, and then taste test. 3 simple steps, that easy. I'm gonna take you through it right now. Let's go. The first step is marinating. We're gonna get 1 cup of buttermilk. We're gonna put it into the bowl. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of spice oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, just for a little kick, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of MSG. Now, once the buttermilk has been seasoned, we're gonna put our chicken into the buttermilk. Here, I've got some chicken strips. I really like these chicken strips. I think chicken strips come out the best with this seasoning in particular. It's nice and old chicken, but I really like it with chicken strips. So we're gonna put the chicken strips into the buttermilk, and then we're gonna cover with some cling film, and then pop it into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. But in this case, I'm gonna pop it in there for about 30 minutes because I don't really have the time. Now, once the chicken has been marinated for 3 to 4 hours, I know I've done it in 30 minutes, but for you, minimum 3 to 4 hours, just for the most impactful flavor. We're then gonna move on to the seasoning flour. Now, with the seasoning flour, we're gonna add the exact same seasonings that we added to the buttermilk, which is gonna be 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of cracked pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of spice oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of MSG. So once your flour has been seasoned, then get a whisk, whisk your flour and mix it very well. I'm not going to use a whisk because I can't find my whisks. For some reason, I can't find them, so I'm using this. But as long as you're whisking it and mixing it, that's all that matters. You want to mix it until there's no more clumps of flour, there's no more clumps of seasoning, and it all is blended together and the ratio is even. So just keep whisking until you feel like you've got that consistency. So once that's been mixed, all we need to do now is put the chicken into the mix. That's very simple. All you need to do is get your buttermilk chicken. Make sure you shake it off. Not too much, just shake it off just a little bit. Then put it into the mix and just repeat that until all the chicken has been transferred. Now, once we've done that, this is the most crucial part, the mixing of the chicken and the seasoned flour. Now follow me. You need to have a scoop in on the hands, lift up and turn inwards, and press down CPR style. And again, scoop in, hands underneath, lift up, flip your hands round, turn them inwards, and then down and press. You need to make sure you're pressing this chicken down and really packing it in. You have to pack it in, just keep pressing, keep flipping, rolling and pressing and making sure that you're packing that seasoning onto the chicken. The most crucial part to getting the chicken crispy and complete. So make sure you follow those steps. Scoop in, lift up, rotate your hands inwards, make the flour fall, and then press down on all the chicken. Don't miss any chicken, press down on all. You need to make sure you do this and just keep pressing, and then that will be done. I would say do about 10 flips and presses. So altogether you'll be doing about 20 movements. Chicken has been successfully coated. That's what I like to see. So now the chicken's been seasoned. The next step is frying, the best step. So what we need to do is put our oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. exactly if you can help it. What I use is a Tefal deep fryer. It's about £100 from Amazon. It has the ability to filter out your oil so you can reuse it. It holds up to 4 litres of oil and you can control the temperatures on there as well. It's pretty sick for the price. So I would recommend get one anyway. But if you don't have one of those, you're just using a pot, what you could do, if you don't have a thermometer either, is get a wooden stick, and once you feel the oil is heated up enough, put the wooden stick in there. And if you see small bubbles forming around the stick, it's ready to fry. You can't be going crazy, just small bubbles forming around the wooden stick, and it should be ready to fry from there. So the only thing that's left now is to fry our chicken. Let's get our chicken into the oil. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to drop it in nice and slowly. You want to leave it in for about 5 to 6 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes, maybe 6, it's up to you. As long as it's nice and golden when you're taking it out and crispy, then you know you're doing a good job. So just leave it in there, maybe shake it a few times, but you don't need to do much, especially with chicken strips. Once you take it out, you want to put it on a drainer, leave it to drain for 2 minutes, and then enjoy its beauties. Crispy fried chicken, I love it. It smells really good. Beautiful. All right, let's go. That is really good. Nice and crunchy. This tastes amazing. Peep the crunch. Oh God. Shook it as well. Oh, let's go. Try a bit of barbecue sauce. Keep the crunch. Oh. So addictive. Here we go. Cut my mouth. Listen guys, it's so crispy, it just cut my gums. But I don't care. So you guys, this recipe is a must try. It's a must try. Wow. This right here is absolutely amazing. The flavor is amazing. The balance is perfect. If you make this, you'll definitely please a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a family member. They'll be very pleased and they will very much appreciate this dish. If you make it with rice or chips or whatever, the chicken is amazing. And so, thumbs up, definitely give this a try. So, I hope this video brings some value to you, because I know it can be difficult to make some good fried chicken. But this video here is not just a video for you to copy, it's a video for you to take and then experiment with your own ingredients too. Because what I do is I will see a recipe and I will change a few things around to try and make it to my taste. So that's something you could do as well. And I suggest that you do it. You never know, you may come up with something incredible that your friends, family, and you may enjoy. So try it out. And if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you gave me a like, a subscribe. I'll be doing much more videos like this. And hopefully I can get the quality much better, and you know, the vocals, and get a mic and all that stuff. But that will come in time. For now, it's all about the lessons, and I hope you learned well. Thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you soon.